Monday. I'm back to the, hold on. I'm back to the regularly scheduled vlogs. I'm eating chips and corn salsa. It's my favorite, but I think I've eaten it so much that I'm like over it right now. We have so many leftovers that today we're just gonna eat leftovers. And during the week I'll also eat leftovers. I have both white rice and red rice. I have chicken for 2 days. So I have shredded chicken and I have grilled chicken. Ryan's mom gave us pizza, so Ryan's gonna eat pizza today. But yeah, I actually like leftover days because you can just mix stuff and make it work. It's about 6 o'clock. Hello everyone, there's a nice little glow happening outside right now. Maybe too much of a glow. Let me go this way. This way? I don't know, we'll see. It's like a little sun-kissed. So as you guys can see, my house is a mess. We got a dog, if you guys didn't see the last vlog. So all his toys are out right now. But I wanted to show you guys the Love with Food box that I got. I actually have 2 months worth. This month I guess they ran out of boxes, so they just sent it here. But this is Love with Food box. I should have my link down below. I recommend it every time that I receive it just because it's filled with really yummy snacks. I can't tell you guys enough. Every time that I get these, I finish the entire box because it's delicious. Sometimes there's some stuff that I don't really I don't gravitate towards, so I'll leave it in my pantry, but then one day I'll be really hungry and I'll eat it and I'll be like, why didn't I eat this before? It's really, really good. So let's start off with this month. I think this is, it doesn't say. I'm lucky because I have Love with Food. So they pack it, and when I say they pack it, it's filled with snacks. So I already see a lot of my favorites. So this brand, Zeus, it's become one of my favorites. It's a very soft protein bar. I don't even think it's a protein bar. It tastes like a cookie or a brown, like a soft cookie. Honey Stinger organic cracker bar. That looks yummy. Spicy nacho bean chips. So they have a lot of like non-grain, so a lot of like bean chips or like chickpea chips. Which is really cool. Farmer's Pantry cornbread crisps. That looks amazing. Just fruit snacks. I love these. It's like little fruit leather, but it comes in like little dots. I think I've shown you guys before, but it's like little dots. Really good. Monster cookie granola. So I can put this on my cereal. Crackling Camlet. This is actually really good. So on my drive home from work, usually my lunch is at 11 and then I get off at work at 3:30. So by the time I get out, I get really hungry. So I pack a snack. So this I've been taking and it's really good. PB&J bites. Anyway, I'm gonna taste these on camera for you guys. Moon cheese, white cheddar, black pea. Ooh, another bar at Kind Energy, peanut butter. Yummy. Ooh, galletas Maria. Like, who doesn't like galletas Maria? Like, I grew up eating these. Lemon ginger chews. I love ginger chews. I have like a little container filled with these, so I love them. Nora seaweed snacks, tempura original flavor. Oh my god, there's so many snacks in here. What the heck? Crunchians, red lentil snack crisp. So this is what I mean, like red lentil chips. And the last bit I have is Lily's dark chocolate. This is absolutely my favorite. It has less sugar. It's delicious. So, can you guys agree that I got a lot? Let me taste this. So, Sun-Maid bites. Ooh, okay. This is what they kind of look like. There you go. Oh, they're good. It's just like a granola bar with strawberry and peanut butter. It's really good though. Hello everyone. I got a haircut. I got it yesterday and I really like it. It's very took a lot of weight off, pretty much is what I'm trying to say. What I've been doing when I work from home is I actually have Zeus with me in the mornings, and then at midday I still put him in his crate outside so that he can get used to being in the crate. Yesterday he did really bad. He was just whimpering and crying the entire time for at least 2 hours, and then he calmed down after, but it took a while for him to calm down. So today Ryan and I decided, okay, well, what if we don't put him on the screen, we just leave him outside to kind of do his thing, and you know, we'll see how it goes. He was doing so good. Like, I put him out there for 2 hours. He was just laying down, exploring, and I was like, oh my gosh, cool. Like, maybe like he'll be okay with just leaving him outside. Okay, so at one point I looked at my camera and I didn't see him. And I was like, what the heck is happening? Where is he? And hold on. So I go outside and he's in the corner up in our planters, and pretty much one jump away from being in our neighbor's backyard. I'm just like, oh my gosh. And what is he doing? He's sniffing his poop bags because Ryan decided to put the poop bags in the corner so that they didn't stink up our trash can. So he was up there trying to unravel all his poop bags. Anyway, I told him to get down calmly. I didn't like get mad because he doesn't know what he's doing. He's, you know, he doesn't know it's bad. So I told him to stop, get down. And then he gets down and there's poop everywhere. I don't know if he was just nervous about being outside by himself, but there was like poop everywhere and like he was stepping on it. And I just told him, get in. And I threw a bunch of treats in there. He went inside his crate. So he's going to be in there for a while because he obviously doesn't know what he's doing yet. And it's fine. It's part of training. As the owner, I take responsibility. He's just being a dog. So he needs a little bit more time in the crate, and then we'll think about getting him out later. All right, you want to do some training, Zeus? All right, so I've been doing some training with Zeus, and he likes treats. So I bought this little treat bag. I do a combination of these treats. I'll put a picture of them. And then he really likes these, which is the sardines. Right, Zeus, you like these? Yes. All right, so we're gonna do some training. He's learned a few things, so let's do it. All right, up. Good boy. All right, let's do sit. Up. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. All right, we're going to do lay down. He already knows that's next. Lay down. Good boy. All right, we're going to do play dead. Ready? Play dead. Come on. Play dead. Come on. Boo boo. Good boy. Play dead. Play dead. Good boy. All right, we're going to do roll over. You know what roll over is? Roll over. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. Up, up, up. Up. Good boy. Good boy. All right, this one he's not really good at yet. Paw is kind of hard for him. So sit. Good boy, paw. Paw, yes, paw. Good boy, paw. Oh, he did it on camera. Good boy. Up. No, sorry, sit. Good boy. All right, what else have I been working on? Oh, crawl. All right, ready? Stay. Crawl. Come on, crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. Good boy, crawl. Do you guys see that? I hope you guys did. All right, crawl, come on. Crawl, crawl, come on. No. Come over here. Sit. Lay down. Okay. Crawl, come on. Crawl, crawl. Good boy. You're doing so good. Oh, this one's kind of cool. So, let's say I'm playing like fetch with him. Actually, let's say I have, he loves these treats, okay? So let's say I have a treat. So I have the treat and then the sardine. So come here, sit. Stay, no, leave it. Leave it. Good boy. So he doesn't go towards it. Even if I drop it. So I'm gonna drop it over here. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Here. So he knows how to do that. I think that's all I've taught him. Up. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay, stay. Stay. I'm working on this one because my brother-in-law, his dog could do this, and we were like, oh my god, that's amazing. Pretty much you put a treat on his head. No, stay. Sit. Pretty much you put a treat on his head, and then you leave it, and you say leave it, and then you say go, and then he grabs it. So sit. Good boy. Leave it. Wait. Shh. Stop. Leave it. Nope. Zeus. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Stay. No. 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 Here. Maybe I need another incentive. Like on the bottom so that he can leave the top one. Stay. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna have to look at the little training thing that I do. But I mean, he's pretty good. All right, you can have it here. He's pretty good. Come on, sit. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. And play dead. Come on. Play. Come on. Lay down. Good boy. Play dead. Stay. That's roll over. That's roll over. Good boy. Roll over.
Wherever you are today, for whatever reason you're feeding, whatever food you're feeding, I believe that you are doing the very best that you can today. I also believe that as a pet parent and as a human being, there's always room to improve and do better.
Hello everyone, it's Saturday. I have Zeus right next to me. Right over here. Little Zeusy boy. So today I had a board, but it got postponed because of the weather. Because it's very cloudy and it was for a party that was outside. So it got postponed for next weekend. So now I get a full day of cleaning, which I desperately need to do. But before I do that, oh my gosh, Zeus. Before I do that, go get it, go. Before I do that, I have to, we have to go to the store to get some stuff that we need for the week. So now we have a full day of just free, do whatever we need to do. I'm also in the market for another one of these sweaters. So I'm hoping that when we go to Costco, I can find something, because this one I love, but it's very used. So I've had this since I think like 2005. Oh my gosh, 15, 20 years. I don't know. But anyway, I need to get a new one, and I just don't want to part ways until I have one that's just like it. It's pretty much just a zipper sport jacket. I think that's what it's called. Maybe not a sports jacket, but I'm on the lookout for that. And yeah, pretty much that's about it for today. I'll include what I'm doing today in the next vlog, but I just wanted to end this. This vlog was very Zeus heavy, and of course, because he pretty much takes up all of our time now. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.